Hello everyone, welcome back to Creative Swatches. Today we are going to learn two new embroidery stitches, square chain stitch and petal stitch. So get ready with your hoops. You can refer to these samples for making designs, square chain stitch and petal stitch. And for more reference designs, you can get connected with me on my Instagram. All products used in this video are also available online. Links are provided in the description box. Guys, if you like my lessons, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.